Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I want to talk about something which is very important, and that is about weight loss. Who doesn't want to stay fit and healthy? Almost everyone does. Sometimes we try everything which we can, like crash diets, limiting foods, no rice, exercising, yoga, whatnot. But we often tend to follow it for a limited time and again get back to normal, which leads to increase in weight as usual. Though you reduce weight, when you stop your activity and eat normally, you put on everything, including the extras. So, you need to remember that instead of trying to reduce weight very fastly, which is very difficult and an unhealthy way, try to inculcate some lifestyle changes which you can do for a longer time and stick on them. So, first, let's see about few things you need to follow for sure if you are trying for weight loss. The number one is eat unpolished foods. Include brown rice in place of white rice, which is rich in fiber. As a result, you end up eating less without starving. If you reduce quantity of rice, if you are eating all of a sudden, the food won't be sufficient and you end up binging junk, or you end up feeling tired and weak. So, it is must to include fiber rich grains in your food. Examples are brown rice, millets, rolled oats, vegetables and fruits that are rich in fiber. All these help you to reduce your weight. If you compare 1 cup or 100 grams of white rice and brown rice has 1.8 grams of dietary fiber, whereas white rice has just 0.4 grams. We know that fiber-rich foods keep us full for longer time and we can eat less quantity if we are consuming them. So, if we eat 1 cup of white rice and if we replace with brown rice, we consume 3/4 cup only, but it is way healthier than 1 cup of white rice. So, if you are trying for weight loss or if you want to eat in a healthy way, you need to start including brown rice in place of white rice in your regular diet. The next thing is drink hot water. When you are trying to reduce weight, drink hot water whenever you are thirsty. You need to drink a minimum of 8 to 12 glasses per day, and drinking hot water is very important. There are studies that show drinking hot water improves metabolism, which helps in weight reduction. Also, it is extremely helpful for people who are having gastric issues. Metabolism plays a very crucial part in your weight gain or weight loss. You have seen some people who eat a lot but end up being very lean, and you may have also noticed few people who eat very less and minimum quantity but are often putting on weight. This is because of metabolism. So, don't skip meals to reduce your weight as it disturbs your metabolism, and even if you have consumed little amount of food, you end up becoming fat. If you have high or fast metabolism, you will burn more calories during activity and also at rest. This is the reason people with high metabolism consume more energy and don't put on weight. And people with low metabolism consume very less energy and put on weight even if they consume less. Having protein rich foods, regular exercise tend to increase metabolism. If you want to reduce weight, you need to eat in a proper way. The next one is have early dinner. You need to have your dinner early so that there will be more gap between your meal and sleeping time, so the food you consumed digests before you sleep and don't pile up for the next day. Food digestion during sleep is very difficult, so make it a habit to have your last meal by at least 6:30 pm. Make sure you don't consume anything except water after your last meal. By following this, you can easily reduce weight. If you are trying for weight loss, make sure you follow this step for sure. Also, having early dinner is said to have various health benefits and is very good for your health. The next is have exercise. Have some physical activity. You need to have a physical activity for at least half an hour every day. Simple things like walking, doing household works which include physical activity shall count. The main principle in weight reduction is you need to burn more calories than you consume. For that, you need to have food that gives you minimum calories, and you need to do physical exercise which helps in reducing calories. Balancing both is essential and key to reduce weight. If you do exercise without having proper food, then it's not going to help you to reduce your weight. Also, if you are following a very good diet and healthy diet, and you add exercise into your routine, then it's definitely going to be an added advantage and it helps you to reduce your weight. The next is binge on fruits if you feel like eating something. Have an apple, watermelon, orange, dry fruits maybe like sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, or any fruit if you feel like eating something very much, or if you are hungry. If you aren't hungry, just have hot water. When you have water, the urge to eat something or craving will stop. So definitely try this. So, I have shared few things that you need to follow if you are trying for weight loss. Also now, I am going to tell about few things that you need to avoid if you are trying for weight loss. The number one thing is you need to completely avoid junk food or processed foods and also bakery items. Say no to outside food, especially junk and processed food, if you want to reduce weight. These foods are not only unhealthy but are loaded with calories which fight against you and stop you from your mission. Try to avoid them at least till you get confidence that you can reduce weight, and thereafter you can binge once in a while on your favorite food. The next one is completely avoid white or polished grains. Try to avoid white rice, rava, idli, dosa made with white rice, upma, pasta, and all polished carb-rich foods when you are trying for weight loss. Instead, include unpolished grains and whole vegetables, nuts, fruits in your diet. The next one is avoid tea, coffee, or milk with sugar. Don't think that having one small cup of coffee or tea is not a big deal. The small amount of sugar which you use is enough to neutralize all the food changes that you made to reduce your weight. So say no to sugar while in the mission at least. If you can't resist and if you feel like having tea or coffee sometimes, then you need to reduce the quantity of intake and also try to replace sugar with jaggery. It is recommended to avoid milk and sugar completely, but if you can't resist, then this is an option. But try to avoid them at least until you see the number reducing. These are some of the do's and don'ts if you are looking for a weight loss. If you follow this for 1 week, you will start noticing changes in your body and start reducing weight. Try to follow strictly till you see the weight number dropping down, then you can start having cheat meals where you can have food of your choice. Follow for a minimum of 2 weeks to see the change. You can continue it by adding cheat meals till you reach your target. In the starting, it may feel like little uncomfortable with sudden changes in your food, but keep in mind that you are having healthy food and it helps you to reduce your weight. And also, if you start it slowly, you will get habituated and you won't feel it very difficult. But just remember that starting is difficult, but once you start and continue slowly, it will become a process and you will get habituated. So, when you start noticing that your weight number is reducing, it will give a motivation to you and you will feel like following the process. I hope this video helps you and gives you motivation to start your weight loss journey. Soon I'll share weight loss recipes or meal ideas if you are going to reduce your weight. I hope the videos which I'll be posting soon will be very helpful. So for that, do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll get notifications whenever I make a new video.